Hi children, yesterday we studied about the European location. Today we will discuss about boundaries. See, the European is bounded by three sides of water. So in the north side we have north. North we have Arctic Ocean and Bering Sea from north side. On the west side, on the west side we have Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, west side. On the south side we have Mediterranean Sea. See, and Europe is separated by Africa. South side Mediterranean Sea was separated by the African Europe continent, and even the Strait of Gilbert, Mediterranean Sea and Strait of Gilbert was separated by the Europe and Africa continent, and European eastern side boundaries. City is separated from Asia by its Ural Mountains, and even this Caucasus Mountains and Caspian Sea. See, Europe and Asia shares land boundary, so it is continent called as Eurasia. Europe and the Asian one continent called Eurasia. However, Europe has certain distinct character features in the term of physical features. Even we can see the densely populated regions, and it makes its continent by itself. Let me discuss about political divisions. Europe occupies about 7% of the total land area of the earth, and large number of the we can see number of independent countries. So it comprises both Russia and Europe. See, the world largest by the area of European larger by the population, as well as smallest we have Vatican City. See, area European largest by population, as well as the Vatican, the smallest country by area, Vatican City. See, by the area and population, European can be divided into following categories. See, Scandinavian include the Scandinavian countries, the countries of Norway, Scandinavian countries, Norway, Sweden, and Finland, and Iceland. Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland. For all these five countries, the terms of we called as Nordic countries is also used. Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland, and even Denmark. Iceland, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, and Finland. All these five countries we called as Scandinavian, or we called as Nordic countries. So next one, the British Isles, the groups of islands situated in the northwestern Europe in the North Atlantic Ocean. See, the group of islands, northwestern side, western portion. See, Europe in the North Atlantic Ocean. See, the two countries are included with the British Isles, the United Kingdom and Republic of Ireland. This United Kingdom and Ireland, these two countries, the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland, we call as British Isles. See, next one, the lowlands, the lowland countries on the mainland, across the English Channel, lowland countries, English Channel. See, this includes Belgium. It includes Belgium, and even Netherlands and Luxembourg. Netherlands, Belgium, and Luxembourg. They are also called as they are low latitudes because of the height will be very low compared to the mean sea level. See, an alternative term of Benelux, BE for Belgium. BE means Belgium, and for the Netherlands, NE for Netherlands, BE for Belgium, and NE for Netherlands, and Lux for Luxembourg is also used for these countries. See, Benelux, B stands for Belgium, and NE stands for Netherlands, and LUX Lux for Luxembourg. It is also used for their countries. See next one, Balkan states. See southeastern states, Balkan states. See Balkan state, we can see southeastern state like Germany, Macedonia, Bulgaria, Kosovo, Serbia, Yugoslavia, Bosnia, Croatia, and Slovenia. Even this Montenegro. See, formerly we called as Yugoslavia. All these countries will comes under the Balkan states. See next one, the Balkan state located in the northern portion. Balkan states. It includes Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. So these are the Balkanic states. Next one, the Central European countries. Central European countries. Austria, Czech Republics, Germany, Switzerland, Hungary, Slovakia. See, all these countries comes under the Central European countries. Next one, the Iberian Peninsula. See, Iberian Peninsula. Iberian Peninsula comprises Spain and Portuguese. And even Southern Europe. Southern Europe, we have Italy. Southern Europe. It occupies the one peninsula, Southern Europe. See, peninsula, Southern Europe. Peninsula means because it covers 3 sides of water. 3 sides, the land was covered by 3 sides of water. And beside this, European includes see 5 small nations, small nations: Vatican City, San Marino, Monaco, and Andorra. See, all these are namely 5 small nations. Okay, children. Tomorrow we will discuss about physical features.